Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. On this week's video, we actually are going to be sharing a makeover for an Airbnb client. Guys, I am super excited about this video. This is our first Airbnb and it just came out amazing. I just can't wait to show you what it looks like. So let's go ahead and head on over to the video and see the look of the space. We just made it to the Airbnb. The area was built, so everything was built. The finishes are already there. So all I have to do is come in, add in furniture, maybe some paint on the walls and different things. Right. So let's go ahead and go in. All right, so this is the entryway. On here, I'm thinking about putting a small welcome center here. When you come in, where you can just drop your keys, put different things there for the guests. Then here, she wanted a coffee area, so I have a bar cart that's gonna go here, where she's gonna have coffee mugs and stuff on here. She does not like the look of this, so I'm just thinking maybe give some artwork or something to put over here to kind of cover this, but it can be taken off to access because this is an electrical panel and we do not want something that blocks this too much. So that's this area. And then here we're really just gonna style it, keep it pretty simple. They had all this red accessories already, so we're gonna keep those and just work around that with different things there. So we'll just style this up, then come in here. This is gonna be a big chalkboard wall. It's gonna say welcome to Nashville on here, and then we'll have things to do in Nashville, different things. So I'll create a decal for this area. And then since this space is so small here, it's not that big, I was trying to figure out how I can utilize the space to have both a dining area and a seating area so that people can watch TV, because when you come to Airbnb, you want to relax, watch TV. So that's what I had to try to incorporate in this space. And so with that, I'm actually going to turn the couch this way, where it's kind of sitting under here, and then the TV and stuff will be here. And she wanted a side chair, so we're going to put a side chair here. And then behind the sofa, we're going to put a table that sits above, that has bar stools here that you can pull and they can sit and still watch TV and see it that way. Then we have this here, which is just her washer and dryer that she bought and put in the space. And then we're heading into the bedroom this way. There's a nook kind of in here. At first, I was thinking about putting like a vanity here, but because the door swings in this way, I didn't want it to prevent anybody from trying to come in. So I'm just gonna put a mirror here, a floor mirror. And then the only way the bed can fit is going this way. So we're gonna put a queen size bed and then 2 nightstands that I think I'm gonna go with the mounted ones to mount on the wall. And then we'll have sconces that are on here. And we'll have some wall vinyl here on this wall, which gives it a little texture and a nice updated look here in this space. Alright guys, so Wayfair is here with the furniture. I'm going downstairs to meet them, so I'll see you in a minute. We have the sofa here, just waiting for the bedside tables. We're gonna have a stand here. Still a lot more stuff, but it's one of our first items that came. Yay! Here is the finished look of the sofa. It was really easy to put together. Just a few screws. We put the arms and the cushions on, but this is what it looks like, guys. Alright guys, so we accomplished a lot today. We put up the shower curtain, got the rugs and stuff in here, and folded these towels. We have to hang shelves, but I took that towel holder down and I'm gonna move it over here and then put these shelves above here. And then here's the sofa. I assembled it. We have our TV entertainment console here that just came in. And then here is the bed and mattress here. We have lights and wallpaper right there. So it's so exciting. We got stuff in. We'll come back, assemble the bed, put this together and assemble this. And then after we'll be getting like our tables, rugs, and a few other items in here that are gonna come, the little coffee thing that's gonna go here. So that is very, very exciting. I'm glad to see it all come together. It's looking really nice, guys. Good morning, everyone. So it is such a beautiful day out today, and I am heading out to a few stores. We actually are still working on the Airbnb, so I'm gonna grab some stuff, get some decor pieces, and take y'all along with me. So come on, see what I grab, and then I will show you a few updates of the property. So I have a cart full of stuff. I'm about to check out, see what all that I need, if I got too much, and stand in budget, but this is what I got so far, guys. All right, so this is everything we got from Target. We got some artwork, ottoman, lights, and then some pillows to go on the sofa, and then we got some more stuff back there. So we are gonna grab everything out, take it inside, and get started. Back in here again. We got our futon in. Oh, we gotta put that together. What else we gotta put together? The bed and the mattress are in there. So we're gonna put that. We're waiting on some more stuff to come in, so not too much to assemble today, but we're gonna paint this wall here. And then we're gonna put wallpaper in this area. We are halfway through the wallpaper. Got my hubby over here putting the rest up. Then we're gonna do the bed. We're waiting on the side tables, but we have the mattress and then all the stuff. But in here, we have the sofa done, the entertainment console, and a little light. I don't know, I might move this over to this corner, and then we're gonna hang this here. So this is how it's looking so far. It's a lot of chaos, but it's coming together, guys. It's so exciting. All right, so we got the bed assembled. I might scoot it over a little bit, but right now we're about to put the mattress on, make up the bed, and then this room will be done. This is my favorite part of opening a memory foam mattress, because you can cut it and watch it slowly rise. right, so we just arrived back to the Airbnb and we got packages. All right, bringing in the rug and all the other items inside so that I can start assembling. I actually left the toolkit downstairs. Hopefully we don't need the tools, but if we do, I'll go back downstairs and grab them. But for now, I'm gonna bring all the stuff in and see how it looks. So here are some of the pillows that I grabbed to go on the couch to take it where it's not so blue. So I have like this creamy one. And then I brought in this mustard color. I'm just bring in a pop of color that I can incorporate throughout here, and it ties in with like the wood elements. So I thought it'd be cute. Hey guys, welcome to the Airbnb. Come on in and let me show you the final look. All right, so as soon as we walk in here, we have a welcome area. So this is where we're gonna put our codes, keys, mail, anything that our guests have, that's where it will be going. Then we come right in here is the kitchen area. A lot of the finishes, the appliances and all that were already here. So all I had to do is just add a little bit of decor here. So I added this cute sign that says meals and memories are made here. And then I just added this little lemon plant. And this is just so cute. It is our Nashville Eats book. So they could come in and they can get a whole bunch of different recipes from Nashville. But let's go into the bathroom. As soon as we come in, there's the bathroom right here. Here we decided to just make it a little industrial, rustic, and have like black finishes. The vanity was already here as well. It's a blue vanity with gold finishes, which I really, really love. And then on the sink, they had this black faucet with this mirror and this gold trim. So I decided to keep the theme of the black and gold, and we got these right here, and these are from the Dollar Tree. We just added Q-tips and cotton balls in there. So for $3, that was a quick little decor piece. These shelves we also hung here and added just some cute little bathroom decor. The toilet paper is now a feature item here in this bathroom. And then the shower curtain. So their ceilings are very high, so we had to get the extra long shower curtain so that it would hit the ground and not just be up. So if water were to come, we would not spill out. But I added the shower curtain, shower rods, and this nice picture here. So we were bringing in pops of blue and black, just a rustic, a nice look. Then we're coming back out and we're going in here. Our client, she wanted a coffee area, so I decided to get this kind of bar cart right here. And then here we just added the Keurig. We got this coffee tea and sugar set so that the guests can come in and make their coffee. And then I just added a piece of decor right here, and then we have a little secret behind there. And this is a light piece of artwork, so you can just pull it off and then share the circuit breaker right behind it. So that's really easy, just a quick little tip just to hide stuff that you don't want people to see. Then we come over here, and this is our main feature wall. This is the chalkboard wall. It says, "Welcome to Nashville, guys." And then here, our client, she's gonna be able to write down different things like what's nightlife here in Nashville, and eateries, attractions, anything. So this is just the feature wall where they come in. The space here is a little limited, so we wanted to still be able to include a seating area, a pull-out sofa, and an eating area. So right here, I actually added a bar height table which looks out over the sofa so that the guests can still be able to watch TV and eat as well. And then here, this is a little secret. We got this. It is a sleeper sofa, so you could just at nighttime pull the cushions off, pull it out, and two people can sleep here on the sleeper sofa. We have also just an accent chair, a side chair, and then this little DIY I made. It says Tennessee because that's where we are, and the guests have to know that we are here in Tennessee. And then we have some cute little Nashville books here, just as decor pieces, as well as the entertainment center here. And this one that says hello there, and then you flip it around and says I miss you already. I just thought that would be so cute for guests. They can play with it when they leave. They can turn it around and whatever. So next we're gonna go ahead and go into the bedroom. This is a nice area. I'm just in love with how the wallpaper and everything turned out. So if you just come on in right here, we still have the white and blue accents with the wallpaper as well as the artwork on the wall. But then I was able just to keep it sleek and just very modern with the white bedding and white pillows. So that's what I did there. I also just created this cute little area where when the guests come, they have towels, a do not disturb. And one of the big things our client wanted was floating shelves. So I decided to include floating shelves in this room as well as nice wall mounted light fixtures. And I just think that it was just perfect for this space, and she's gonna love everything in here. Okay guys, that is all for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed the condo, how it turned out, everything that we've done. If you do, make sure to hit that subscription button below and leave me a comment. Let me know what else would you like to see me do. Do you like seeing these restyle projects, or do you want to see more organizing or even thrift flips? Let me know. I'll talk to y'all soon. I love y'all. Bye.